Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter installed, device or emulator ready, and a reachable backend URL. Once done, decide why you need REST versus WebSocket. REST for request/response, WebSocket for real-time streams. Make sure to add the HTTP client package like HTTP or DO in PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Then create a simple API client file to centralize endpoints and headers so you avoid scattering base URLs across widgets, which makes later changes far easier. Next, build a networking layer so your UI doesn't handle raw requests. Create an API client class with base URL, timeout, and common headers. That centralizes auth tokens and content type. Implement get and post methods that parse responses and throw clear exceptions on non-200 codes. Once implemented, map JSON to typed models with from JSON/ to JSON. This reduces runtime errors and improves IDE tooling. Finally, make the client injectable via provider or get it so you can mock it in tests and swap implementations. Now integrate the client into the app flow. Call repository methods from your block, provider, or Riverpod layer, not directly in widgets. Use Future Builder or Stream Builder for quick wiring, but make sure to handle loading and error states gracefully so users see clear feedback. Store auth tokens securely and implement refresh logic, otherwise sessions break unexpectedly. Finally, run unit and integration tests and use verbose logging to reproduce errors. If something fails, retry with a known good curl request and compare headers to find mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.